I honestly feel like I've been confident like my whole life. And I know that sounds like a cop out. Or you're like, what do you mean you've been confident your whole life? I've always been a curvy plus size girl my entire life. Therefore, like I had to learn to be confident early in life, you know, because people would try you in school and stuff. Before like my music stuff actually started moving, like people were following me because they thought I was so confident. Because I loved fashion and I loved clothes and I was like showing the girls that like, I don't care what size you are, like you can still dress that body up like really nicely and this and that.
Does that come from your folks? Like, where do you learn that?
Maybe it's like me being one of 8 kids. Like my parents went to work. So I feel like you, especially like the second last of 8 kids, like maybe I just always wanted the attention. Who knows? Because I definitely performed for my family always. And maybe because my like siblings, like they never treated me like badly. So like maybe I was like confident because it's like no one at home is making me feel like I shouldn't be.
That's beautiful, man. I mean, that's a testament to the family.
Testament to the family.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.